Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Foodtech 360. In this video, we are doing MSc Food Science and Technology Entrance Exam Important MCQs Set 3. It consists of 30 MCQs. Watch till end and comment down your score out of 30. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Clinching is options A. Intentional escape of air from loose lid, B. Sealing of cans, C. Adding syrup or brine and lactic acid, D. None of above. Correct answer A. Intentional escape of air from loose lid. Question number 2. When potassium metabisulfate KMS is added as a preservative, options A. Give out sulfur dioxide, B. Gas collects on top, C. Prevents entry of microorganism, D. All of the above. Correct answer D. All of the above. Question number 3. The use of spray dryer gives a product as options A. Crushed, B. Ground, C. Fine dry powder, D. None of above. Correct answer C. Fine dry powder. Question number 4. The blanching is done to food items to dash. Options A. Destroy enzymes, B. Maintain flavor, color and texture, C. KMS is used, D. All of the above. Correct answer A. Destroy enzymes. Question number 5. Thermophilic bacteria cause problem in options A. Baking industry, B. Hotel industry, C. Catering industry, D. Canning industry. Correct answer D. Canning industry. Question number 6. Parboiled rice contains sufficient amount of options A. Nicotine, B. Thiamine, C. Niacin, D. None of the above. Correct answer B. Thiamine. Question number 7. Lysine is a limiting amino acid in options A. Wheat, B. Rice, C. Corn, D. All of the above. Correct answer D. All of the above. Question number 8. Carotene in the body changes into vitamin A in the options A. Liver, B. Pancreas, C. Gallbladder, D. Intestine. Correct answer A. Liver. Question number 9. Coulomb is a unit for measuring dash. Options A. Conductance, B. Light, C. Electric charge, D. Resistance. Correct answer C. Electric charge. Question number 10. Ketose like fructose are distinguished from other sugars by options A. Benedict's, B. Barfords, C. Bayer's test, D. Sullivanov. Correct answer D. Sullivanov's. Question number 11. Addition to the food of one or more dietary essentials in amounts higher than those present in the food in the natural state. Options A. Enrichment, B. Fortification, C. Restoration, D. None of the above. Correct answer B. Fortification. Question number 12. Saturated fatty acids. Options A. Elevate blood cholesterol, B. Minimize the level of blood cholesterol, C. Has no effect, D. None of the above. Correct answer A. Elevate blood cholesterol. Question number 13. What substance is used to identify the presence of starch? Options A. Iodine, B. Magnesium, C. NaCl, D. Fluorine. Correct answer A. Iodine. Question number 14. Bacterial cell walls are made up of options A. Lipoprotein, B. Peptidoglycan, C. Protein, D. Phospholipids. Correct answer B. Peptidoglycan. Question number 15. Niacin is the chemical name of which vitamin? Options A. B3, B. B12, C. B2, D. E. Correct answer A. B3. Question number 16. The process of converting unsaturated fats into saturated fats by addition of hydrogen is called options A. Hydrogenation, B. Cyclization, C. Halogenation, D. Reverse osmosis. Correct answer A. Hydrogenation. Question number 17. What element has the lowest boiling point? Options A. Hydrogen, B. Helium, C. Boron, D. Neon. Correct answer B. Helium. Question number 18. Which gland in the human body is called the master gland? Options A. Pancreas, B. Pituitary, C. Adrenal, D. Thyroid. Correct answer B. Pituitary. Question number 19. Which toxic element is present in tobacco? Options A. Marijuana, B. Nicotine, C. Heroin, D. Methane. Correct answer B. Nicotine. Question number 20. What is the SI unit of radioactivity? Options A. Becquerel, B. Pascal, C. Decibel, D. mm of Hg. Correct answer A. Becquerel. Question number 21. Tocopherol is the chemical name of which vitamin? Options A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin D, D. Vitamin E. Correct answer D. Vitamin E. Question number 22. In which form is calcium present in our bones? Options A. Calcium nitrate, B. Calcium phosphate, C. Calcium sulfate, D. Calcium carbonate. Correct answer B. Calcium phosphate. Question number 23. Bacteria that can live with or without oxygen are called? Options A. Facultative anaerobes, B. Autotrophic anaerobes, C. Obligate anaerobes, D. Heliotropic anaerobes. Correct answer A. Facultative anaerobes. Question number 24. What substance does the Benedict's test identify? Options A. Reducing sugar, B. Protein, C. Lipid, D. Carbohydrates. Correct answer A. Reducing sugar. Question number 25. Iron is important for the production of a protein called dash. Options A. Actin, B. Myosin, C. Hemoglobin, D. Myoglobin. Correct answer C. Hemoglobin. Question number 26. Out of the following is an alkylating agent used as disinfectant? Options A. Merbromine, B. Silver nitrate, C. Iodine, D. Glutaraldehyde. Correct answer D. Glutaraldehyde. Question number 27. Good source of essential fatty acid? Options A. Groundnut oil, B. Sesanic oil, C. Coconut oil, D. Shark liver oil. Correct answer A. Groundnut oil. Question number 28. The enzyme which is used for artificial tenderization of meat? Options A. Papain, B. Trypsin, C. Lipase, D. Nisin. Correct answer A. Papain. Question number 29. Chemical name of baking soda? Options A. Sodium bicarbonate, B. Sodium carbonate, C. Potassium carbonate, D. Potassium bicarbonate. Correct answer A. Sodium bicarbonate. Question number 30. The non-methylated galacturonic with polymers found in immature fruit? Options A. Protopectin, B. Pectin, C. Pectinic acid, D. Pectin. Correct answer A. Protopectin. Now comment down your score out of 30. If you have missed out our previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily quizzes and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, like this video and share this information to your friends. To see more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video from us.